yeah.
There's only two things guaranteed in this life. We live and we die. We just gotta take our experiences and learn from them.
Check. Shout to anyone who's locked down. They got my old head for like 8 counts. The bail's high, don't know when he's getting out. Until he does, I'ma tell your story, hold it down. This one is the All My Bullies case closed. Just stay strong, I can't wait for you to come home. But you see things change since the last you seen. I done made a couple moves and formulated team. We scale high without using triple beams. Work fit the mean, spinach, watch me get the green. There's never no handouts for you and me, but I'm just going to the land of opportunities. I promise, said it one too many times, but I keep my word. That's where I'm headed and I'm so for sure. Don't wanna hand my niggas money, rather hand my niggas jobs, so you can build your own and stay away from drama. A lot of people call it nonsense, but sometimes you do what you gotta do to survive rent. You can use the song as correspondence. Communication, my niggas can read it through the context. I'm just on this conquest, and you can listen, this is content. Tell you about my past journey, where I've been, this is progress. So I don't give a fuck about them comments, not in my subconscious. I'm just trying to spit something that's timeless. Some people asking me where I've been. I know it seems like I came alone. Even if the rest of the world doesn't like me, it's cool cause I did it for my people back at home. Yeah.
Stay strong, Ralph. Frank Black, Dev Bundles, G Floppy.
Yeah. Shout to anyone who's locked down. They got my old head for like 8 counts. The bail's high, don't know when he's getting out. Until he does, I'ma tell your story, hold it down.